Today I'll show you how to make a phone holder out of a toilet paper roll. First, gather the following items: a toilet paper roll, a pencil, scissors, 2 popsicle sticks, the larger ones are preferable, and things to decorate your toilet paper roll with. So I've got some markers here. You might also want to consider washi tape, paint, gems, etc. So first things first, grab your toilet paper roll and your phone and trace the outline of your phone on the roll. So I'm going to trace mine here. Okay. And then carefully grab your scissors and cut out that little hole that you just traced. I have most of mine already cut out, so there's what mine looks like. Before you get to the next step, double check that your phone will fit in that slot. You want it to be snug, but not too snug. So there's mine there. Okay, so now for the decorating. Again, use whatever you'd like. I'm going to use markers for today. I'm just gonna decorate it with some stripes, maybe some polka dots. I think I'm going to put mine in my room, so I might want to consider decorating it with the colors of my room. Now my room isn't blue and purple, but that's okay. Maybe the next one I make will match my room there. Okay. What else should I add? Maybe some yellow. Might add a big smiley face on the front here. That would be good for the yellow. And the orange, I'll just put a few dots around. So there's mine so far. Okay. So next up, we need to install the popsicle sticks. They're going to hold your phone case like this, so it doesn't just roll once your phone gets in it. So to do that, you want to cut 2 slits in each side, closer to the bottom. So of course, the hole where your phone goes is the top. So I'm going to cut my slits closer down to the bottom here. So I'm going to do 1, 2. I've already got them on that side too. So you can see on the end there, my slits are close to the bottom of the toilet paper roll. So now I'm going to grab my popsicle sticks and just insert them into those slits. Now, like here, for example, you might want to cut the slits a little bit further in so your popsicle stick goes all the way. So that's okay, we can readjust that, that's easy. Just cut them a little bit further. I'll maybe do that on all the sides. Okay, now let's try that again. Insert our popsicle sticks. There we go, that looks a little more snug. And then I'll insert it here. Now a trick is to actually put the popsicle sticks so that if you have a back of your toilet paper roll, they're further sticking out on the back end. So kind of like that. Now that's because when your phone goes in your toilet paper case phone holder, it will actually lean back a little bit. So that just gives it a little bit more strength. So that's what it looks like there. Let's test it out. Put my phone in here. And there we go. We have our very own phone holder. And as a bonus too, this actually makes your speakers a little bit louder. So you could play some music with your phone holder too. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and good luck making your very own toilet paper roll phone holder.